When we had to decide where we invest in China, we were looking around and we found that Taicang is the most suitable place for us to invest in the Yangtze River Delta. On top of that, we were impressed by the support we received from Taicang. They coined the phrase Taicang Speed as an expression they use how they will support us. And we felt this is not just a slogan, they really live it, they really mean it. And we were deeply impressed, and that's why we choose Taicang.
持续化、数字化和智能化是咱们太仓工业的鲜明的特点。精密制造呢，也是太仓城市经济发展的一个名片。另外呢，有便利的交通和物流条件，有领先的产业布局，以及非常友好的营商环境。
长三角是中国经济最发达的地区之一，交通便利，产业链完善。当初我们选择平湖作为我们投资的这样的一个海外最大的基地，也其实是原因在这里。还有一个呢，就是空气非常的好，然后风景也非常的优美，人也非常的友善。